Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of two outstanding security camera systems from REOLINK, the RLK 8-410B 4-5MP and the RLK 16-800D8. In this video, we will delve into the specifications, features, and performance of both systems, helping you make an informed decision for your home or business security needs. We'll explore their resolution capabilities, the number of channels they support, and their overall value for the price. Let's get started. The first category we will compare is the resolution of the cameras. The REOLINK 8CH 5-megapixel security camera system offers a resolution of 5 megapixels Super HD, which provides a significant upgrade over standard 1080p systems. In contrast, the REOLINK 4K PoE security camera system boasts an impressive 8 megapixels true 4K resolution, delivering 4 times the clarity of 1080p. This difference in resolution can be crucial for identifying details such as faces and license plates, especially in larger properties. Therefore, if image clarity is your top priority, the 4K system may be the better choice. Next, let's look at the system scale. The REOLINK 8CH 5-megapixel system supports up to 8 channels, which means it can accommodate up to 8 cameras. This is suitable for smaller homes or businesses. On the other hand, the REOLINK 4K system supports 16 channels and comes with 8 cameras included, making it ideal for larger properties or commercial applications where extensive coverage is necessary. If you anticipate needing more cameras in the future, the 16-channel system offers greater scalability. Finally, let's discuss pricing. The REOLINK 8CH 5-megapixel system is priced at $409, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers looking for reliable security without breaking the bank. In contrast, the REOLINK 4K system comes with a price tag of $1,099, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. While the higher cost may be justified for those needing advanced resolution and scalability, it's essential to consider your specific security needs and budget before making a decision. In conclusion, both the REOLINK 8CH 5 megapixels and the REOLINK 4K systems offer excellent features tailored to different security needs. The 5-megapixel system provides great value for smaller setups, while the 4K system is a robust solution for larger properties requiring high detail. We hope this comparison has helped you understand the strengths of each system. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful comparisons.